Your stock picks this evening. Deryck, what are you going for?
Okay, so tonight I'm going to go for Visa. It's actually had a bit of a decent run through the course of this month, but it has been one of those solid performers. If a stock like this is kind of positioned very close to, call it all-time highs, in a very tough economic environment, I think that you're definitely probably going to see some further new highs made in a stock like this. It's a good quality business. Fundamentally, it's not on a demanding valuation. Looking forward, I think there's probably going to be some leverage to earnings as we get a better interest rate environment and consumer spend starts to pick up. So it's really just calling this top of the interest rate cycle, consumer spending potentially picking up in a more friendly economic environment. So tonight, stock pick is Visa.
Yeah, and that's another hell of a consistent one to have had in one's portfolio. Devin, how about you?
Yeah, this is one viewers of the show will know is one of my favorites. It's the iShares 20-year Treasury bond ETF. Admittedly, been a little bit early on this one, but if you assume that global interest rates have peaked or are in the process of peaking, then it's likely we're going to see a significant rally in US bonds. I think even if those yields continue to move a bit higher from here, I think the asymmetric payoff profile of getting in now is compelling, and I think almost regardless of if next year is a risk on or a risk off type environment, I think the total return profile of an investment like this stands investors in good stead along with an equity allocation. So that's one we're recommending, and we think now is probably close to the right time.
Okay, good. Timing in life is everything. Devin, Deryck, thanks very much for joining us this evening. Nice to chat to you both. Deryck Janse Van Rensburg is from Anchor. Devin Shutte is from the Robert Group. Up next, The Close. Stay with us.